Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. Today, we will be going over basic guidelines installing the Arnott designed new front air strut for the Land Rover Discovery 3 and 4 L319 and Range Rover Sport 1 L320 without VDS. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance. Let's walk through the steps to ensure a safe and effective replacement. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. To begin, remove the front wheel to expose the front air strut. This will give you access to the components that need to be replaced. Now loosen and remove the 3 top mounting nuts. Next, loosen and remove the lower mount nut. Then support the air strut and remove the lower mount bolt. Carefully lower the air strut to gain access to the airline. When you gained access, unthread the fitting and remove the strut from the vehicle. Ensure no dirt or grease enters the system during this process. Now, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Install the new air strut in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air strut with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.